Good day everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to install WhatsApp on Android phone. So be sure to navigate to your Play Store. You can indeed try searching for it on the apps section, but it's going to be rather too long, so I just recommend going into the search. Tap on the search bar and type in WhatsApp. Alright, so you're looking for usual WhatsApp Messenger, not the business. I'll click on it, and as you can see, I already have it installed. In here, you just press on install, it will download and install on your phone. Also, if, for example, the app isn't available in your region, you can sideload the application from the internet. So, for example, you can go to this website called DivXland and type in WhatsApp in search, as so, and you download WhatsApp Messenger from here. So this is going to be the APK file. All right, like this, download APK. All right, and in here we'll have this link, press on it, and as you can see, you can just press on download anyway. I already have this, I suppose, downloaded, and you will get your APK file to install your WhatsApp easily like this. So 2 ways, guys. Enjoy. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.